Samira Bajwa and Dr. Ali Tawseef.
देखती आंखों और सुनते कानों आपको समीनाशा बाजवा और
अली तौसीफ
का सलाम पहुंचे।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us be more concerned with our character than our reputation, because our reputation is what people think we are, while our character, ladies and gentlemen, are who we really are. May we truly become people who live to listen without interrupting, to speak without accusing, to share without pretending, to enjoy without complaint, to trust without wavering, to give without measuring, to forgive without punishing, and to promise without forgetting.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much once again to join us tonight for this historic event, the inauguration of Apna Alberta chapter. And Alhamdulillah, on April 13th, 2019, in St. Louis, USA, in the general body meeting, Apna Alberta chapter was approved. And I would like to mention that for the membership drive, whoever has acquired the membership before March 31st is included as in our founding member team. The message take home is that Apna Alberta chapter is a forum for all Pakistani Canadian physicians. God bless Canada. God bless Pakistan. Long live Apna. Thank you so much.
As we gather here to inaugurate our Apna Alberta chapter, who would be better keynote speaker than our past president of Apna? Please join me in welcoming Dr. Mubashir Rana.
Apna is a house that we built together over the last 42 years with lots of love and care. Every year we add a brick or two to the house and it keeps growing. So again, I want to congratulate you that today we're laying another brick. With all your efforts and devotion, this is another brick in the house of Apna.
Congratulations to the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent of North America, Alberta chapter. In general, the Pakistani Canadian community and the Pakistani community in North America has been a tremendous community in terms of success, integration, but also giving back to Canada and the United States. I look forward to seeing for myself the work that Apna will now carry forward in Alberta. Shukriya.
Hi, it's Nahid Nenshi, Mayor of Calgary, and I'm sorry that I cannot be with you in person to help inaugurate the Alberta chapter of APNA, the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent. I want to say thank you all for the great work you do in the healthcare system. Thank you all for keeping us all healthy every day.
So now is the time to invite our founding members, and without them it would not have been possible for the Alberta chapter to come into the being. They paid their membership fee, which was quite a bit, and they made it possible that our dreams come true. So I hope that the names would be running on the slides as well. And
My name is Dr. Aftab Ahmed Khan and I am the current treasurer of Apna. Thank you for inviting me to be part of this historic moment. This was all possible because of Dr. Tariq Awan and his team, their dedication. I am proud of them and you should be proud of them too. अपना जो है ना, अपना हमारा सपना है, अपना हमारा सपना है, ये सपना हमारा अपना है. Let us work together to make it a better place.
We don't have to be doctors, right, to make a difference. We can all make a difference in our individual capacity, whether we are engineer, we are doctors, we are pharmacists, we are a worker, wherever we are. There's always someone, there's some opportunity for us to make a difference.
They said that they have added a brick to Apna's home. And looking at the leadership from Dr. Awan, Dr. Bawa, Dr. Asmina Bajwa, like all of you, I can say that today you have added a pillar to Apna's house.
As we recognize our senior Pakistani physicians who have made a difference, not only by serving the populations in Pakistan and Canada, they have stood out as being role models for our younger physicians. Their contributions are invaluable, and the recognition to them today is a token of a lifetime achievement and a lifetime of service.
Thank you very much.
Well deserved.
MashaAllah, this is Dr. Quddus Quraishi. 3 generation physicians are here. You have seen our seniors, but in our contemporary colleagues, there are many who are not here, but I must acknowledge them, like Dr. Adnan Mansoor, he is the professor of pathology, and Zarqa Quraishi, she just passed CCFP examination, but she was given award for clinical excellence in clinical teaching by Cumming School of Medicine class of 2019. So please, an applause for her.
I want to say special thanks to Apna team for inviting me here, and they have arranged a very well-organized event. I'm really in awe, they have organized everything, recognized our senior members in the community, so I really appreciate for that.
Thank you so much for being here tonight. First and foremost, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our Apna Alberta members. This historic event is taking place because of your support. When the idea of Apna Alberta was proposed in the physician community, almost everyone welcomed it. Being physicians and healthcare provider, our role is to serve people and to think beyond ourselves. And when we see an opportunity where we can promote an initiative for collective good, we always say, welcome to it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of the finest artists we have within the Pakistani community, Tariq Hamid.
चार होए फिर लख करोड़ हजार होए फिर ओ तो बाज शुमार होए इस अल्फ दा नुक्ता न्यारा एक अल्फ पढ़ो छुटकारा औखियां रामा पहुंच न पावा लम्हियां ने मंजिला प्यार दिया मौला किसी की याद में होता है बेकरार क्यों जिसने भुला दिया तुझे उसका है इंतजार क्यों ऐ दिल किसी की याद में होता है बेकरार क्यों जैसे झील खिलता या जिंदगी के साज छेड़ी हुई गजल जाने बहार तुम किसी शायर का ख्वाब हो चौदहवीं का चांद मेरे ख्यालों पर छाई एक सूरत मतवाली सी नाजुक सी शर्मीली सी मासूम सी भोली भाली सी रहती है वो दूर कहीं अता पता मालूम नहीं कोको कोरीना चंगे होवन यार ता हर कोई सड़दा ए ताइयों सहारा शहर मेरे नाल लड़दा ए कमीज ते टिकाली सोने फुल्ला वाली भावे बसे तू बलैत असा करनी नी रैत भावे बसे तू बलैत असा करनी नी रैत तेनू लेके जाना है कल गहरी कमीज ते टिकाली ते सोने फुल्ला वाली ऐ रंग कदी नहीं पाया ऐ रंग कदी नहीं पाया नहीं पाके तू अजमाया ऐ रंग कदी नहीं रंग कदी नहीं रंग कदी नहीं रंग कदी नहीं पाया नहीं पाके तू अजमाया अज काला जोड़ा पा साडी फरमैश दे अज काला जोड़ा पा साडी फरमैश दे जरा पाके सामने आ साडी फरमैश दे